Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys all the things that I got from the Black Friday sale. So as you guys all know, there was the Black Friday sale going on recently and I bought some things here and there. There was sale on almost all like online websites and I think also offline. So I got a bunch of stuff from Nykaa and also from Hawk Makeup. They were not crazy deals on Nykaa this time because last time they were like a lot of good deals, and I also got the Huda Beauty palette last time from Nykaa and it was like on a 50% off. So yeah guys, इतनी ज़्यादा सेल नहीं थी इस बार on Nykaa. So I stocked up on some essential products and also some makeup, and I got two things from Hawk Makeup. So yeah guys, I'm super excited to share all of it with you guys. So before going into the video, please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that you guys don't miss out any video that this girl uploads. And guys, I do a lot of hard work. Please subscribe to my channel and support me. And yeah guys, without any further talking, let's get into the video. So the first thing that I want to show you guys, that is the thing I'm super duper excited about. So if you follow me on Instagram or if you know me, then you know I am a sucker for eyeshadow palettes and I love doing a lot of creative eye makeup looks. So I got the Patricia Bright's palette. So Patricia Bright is also a YouTuber, so she has this collaboration with Makeup Revolution. So the thing with Makeup Revolution palettes is that कि उसकी जो collaboration वाली palettes आती है, that are particularly very nice and very pigmented. So आज जो मैंने makeup कर रखा है on my eyes is also from this palette. So I really love it. So this is how the palette looks like. Black packaging इसकी and it's like a tin thing I think, and this is not plastic, so it's great and I really like the packaging. इतनी ज़्यादा sturdy है ये. Even if you travel with this, ये टूटेगी नहीं and like damage होने के chances बहुत कम है इसके. The shades are to die for. Just check it out guys. इतने प्यारे shades हैं इसमें and all the shades are super pigmented. So इसमें like 3 formulations हैं. There are like some matte shades, some shimmer shades like the metallic ones, and also 2 glitters. One is this one and one is this bright red, and these are like crazy beautiful shades. I've just swatched some of these for you guys. So this palette is originally for rupees 2800 and मुझे ये I think 2422 की मिली है. I know it's not a crazy discount, but then the catch is कि I got an eyeshadow palette free with this one. So the palette that was free was this one. Would you just check out the packaging on this one? This is so stunning. This is their I Heart Revolution Curses and Hexes palette. You can see the shades. These are pretty good and these are decently pigmented. Obviously ये Patricia Bright's जितना pigmented नहीं है, but still this is like very decently pigmented. I will show you guys some swatches of this one too. So these are basically the 2 palettes that I got from Hawk Makeup, and now moving on to the things that I got from Nykaa. So last year also when her collab came out, I was super excited. I wanted to get it, but I had already like splurged a lot. When she came out with her lip kit this year, I was super excited. I was like, I have to get it this year. So the 2 shades that were in the collaboration with Smashbox were Babe Alert and Malvika's all-time favorite, Driver's Seat. So these are like very pretty unique shades and I have never owned something like this before. Definitely not something like Driver's Seat, and I'm super happy that I got these. First of all, the pigmentation is amazing. It's like one swipe pigmentation and इसका wand बहुत अच्छा है. It's very travel friendly. You can literally put it in like the tiniest purse that you have. So this one is Driver's Seat. This is like a more on the orange undertone, orange peachy undertone, and this one is obviously straight up pink. So I stocked up on some of my favorite like skincare products. So this is the first thing that I got. This was like on a buy one get one, and also इस पे कुछ discount था, so I got this one. As you guys know, I love the Nivea Cherry Shine Lip Balm. This is like my 4th tube I guess, and it's super amazing. बहुत ही like आपके lips को ये moisturize कर देगा. So I got this one, and इसके साथ ये fruity lip balm free है, which I've been trying out these days. And so in winters, so my lips get like super chapped and stuff. So I'm actually loving this one these days. So maybe when this one will get over, I will use this one or something. So I'm super happy with this purchase. I am so glad I got this. So the next thing is again my favorite. This is the Himalayas Cocoa Butter Intensive Body Lotion. So as I told you guys, my skin is super duper dry, and winters mein to it gets supremely dry. So I just love putting a lot of moisturizing and hydrating products on my skin. So like those thin body lotions, I just don't like them. So this is like a super thick lotion, but it's not sticky or greasy. So it's super duper amazing. इसकी खुशबू बहुत अच्छी है because it's cocoa butter. And yeah guys, I love this. If you guys have super dry skin and आपको अपनी skin को अच्छे से moisturize करना है, think no more, go for this one. And the best thing about this is इसकी packaging. It's a pump bottle, and trust me guys, बहुत ही लंबे time तक आपका skin moisturize रहेगा if you use this one. So guys, I also got like a new face wash. This is Nivea's Milk Delights face wash in honey. So I saw Malvika talk about this in a video. So मैं बहुत टाइम से ट्राई करना चाहती थी. So I got this one in this sale. I think I've tried it like maybe 10 times by now, but I actually really love it. ये स्किन को like अच्छे से क्लीन कर देता है, and also your skin doesn't feel like it's like stripped of moisture. With dry skin people, it's like when you use a face wash, ऐसा लगता है कि आपकी स्किन से सारा मॉइस्चर निकल गया है, बट विद दिस वन इट स्टिल फील्स अ लिटिल मॉइस्चराइज्ड एंड सॉफ्ट. So I really like using this one. So the next product that I have is not a surprise. This is my NYX HD concealer. So I ran out of this. I ran out of these so quickly because I use these for my concealing and also for eyelid priming, cut creases and all. So it's just exploited to the core. And this is like my holy grail. I have to have this in my vanity. It just makes your under eyes look filtered. There was some deal running on NYX, and there was no like as a discount on any product, which was kind of a bummer, but I really had to get this one, and this was for rupees 525, so I don't mind spending that much on this because I love this product so much. The next thing that I have is not for me, it was for my mom. This is the Garnier BB cream, and the thing that is not great about this one is that इसमें कोई shades नहीं है, I know, but my mom actually really loves to put it like when she's going out and stuff, instead of putting a foundation or a concealer, she prefers this one because it's more hydrating on the skin and it's easy to use. So she just loves using this one. So I was like, why not order it for her, because she ran out of this. The next product that I have is a facial razor. So a little story here. I was looking for a facial razor from so long, and I was using my old ones, which like totally sucks because you shouldn't be using like old facial razors. They are not good for your skin. You will have bumps for sure, and they are not hygienic at all. I was just sanitizing them. I was just cleaning them and using them because मुझे कोई face razor मिल ही नहीं रहा था. The Tinkle ones was all out of stock. So मैंने sale पे I got this facial razor from I think Can. This is the company. So like this is like the best facial razor I have ever used. This is amazing. I love using facial razors. So this is how the facial razor looks like. So its blades are not like super sharp, or like it won't like give you a cut or anything. It's much like Tinkle, but a lot better than that. So I'm very glad that I got this one. I've used one of these 2-3 times and I love it. और इसमें like 3 हैं, and these were like pretty affordable. I think it was under rupees 200 for a set. So I'm so glad I got these. So thankful, and I hope कि ये Nykaa पे हमेशा in stock रहे, because I would love to like repurchase them. So the last thing that I have is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Block Sunblock, Dry Touch Sunblock, SPF 50. So this is the product, and I really wanted to get like a sunscreen from so long. I was using the Lotus one earlier. I again ran out of it. So it's definitely not matte, which I hate because I don't like anything matte for my skin since I'm a dry skin type. So it is a great formula, a perfect formula. Iska SPF 50 hai, which is also good. So yeah guys, those were all the products that I got in the Black Friday sale. That's it for this haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah guys, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.